Good morning, everyone. I want to show you another house. We just finished it. Now we're doing the final touch-ups in this property. This house was built up in 1930, between 1930 and 1940. I'm not sure, but it's pretty old. And I want to show you how it looks inside. It looks great, and I want you guys see what we've been done with this property. The walls, the patio walls, are still standing, and you can see it. They're pretty old. Look at that. The new owner decided to keep it on it. Solamente le cambió las escaleras, le hicieron un nuevo patio. Se mira beautiful. Había uno bien viejo y no le gustó. El garaje le hicieron una edición arriba del garaje. Hicieron un master bedroom con un master closet. Pero ahora vamos a entrar y van a ver cómo quedó all the way up there. That's the master bedroom. This is the living room. We got a nice crown molding all the way around. You can see it. The kitchen, we got it all the way in the back. We got a family room. They did a very good job with the renovation. And they got a high ceiling. We got a fireplace. The floor has been done. And look at this kitchen. You're gonna like it. Tenemos un beautiful granito con una nice island. Tenemos otro por acá. Este es quartz. The cabinets are beautiful. Me encantan los gabinetes como están. Miren qué bonito está. Todo nickel. Tenemos la cocina. Aquí van a poner el stove. I like that. Si ustedes pueden ver, pueden compartir. Tan preciosos, con acabado blanco, que es lo más moderno actualmente de la cocina. Miren este faucet, detachable. You can put it back. It has a magneto on it, and it stay cool. Isn't that cool? And the sink is beautiful too. Look at that. So the cabinet has it all the way around crown molding. I want you guys show you. Nice crown molding all the way. We got a LED lights. I want to show you upstairs. We still got to do some more painting work in here. We're just doing final touch-ups to make sure the house looks beautiful. We got a nice powder room in here. We're going upstairs now. This is the way. We got a stairs wall. This is the laundry room. This is the laundry room right now. And we did everything here. El nuevo dueño decidió botar todas las paredes y cielos. Y pusimos nuevas paredes. Estamos dando los últimos tochos de pintura. Pusimos nice molding. Las escaleras fueron restauradas. Y acá, esta es la adición en la que nosotros hicimos el acabado, poniendo moldings, drywall, estamos pintando. Los pisos vino un contratista y los terminó. Aquí está sucio por ahora, pero esto se va a terminar. Ya estamos en los últimos retoques. Y miren, quieren ver este filo, qué bonito quedó. Este es el master closet, para que ustedes vean cómo son los acabados. This is the way we finishing the jobs. Oh, this is really nice. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my God, love this shower. Haven't been here for a while. The contractor's taking care of everything. But I look at this place. Is it not beautiful? Oh my God, look at the shower. The tile, it looks beautiful. We got this thing with the glass. Aquí tenemos los lavamanos con piedra de quartz. Y esto está genial. Bellísimo. Y este es el maestro acá. Saludito para la cámara.
Saludos para el gran maestro.
Gracias por saludar. Y tenemos 3 dormitorios acá. We have 3 bedrooms in here. We're having a bathroom. It's almost done. We just gotta finish it clean up. And I like this. Look at how tiny this thing is. Isn't that amazing? House is all updated. Very beautiful. This is bedroom number 1. It has a closet. And bedroom number 2, nice and finished. We're just doing the final touches right now with the caulking and painting, semi-gloss. Actually, I gotta go get some more painting. But that's the guy, that's the... Saludito, Álvaro. Saludito. ¿Cómo está el trabajo de pintura? ¿Estamos bien?
Bien.
¿Será que termina hoy o no termina hoy?
Tal vez sí.
We're trying. We're going downstairs now. Going downstairs. This is the backyard. Gracias por ver otro episodio más en su canal Glenn López, viendo las maravillas de este país. Estamos en Purview, New York. Estamos como una hora de camino, pero nos gusta hacer nuestro trabajo y eso es lo más importante. Gracias por verlos, pasen buen día y diga sí.